There's a healthier way to enjoy potato crisps and make them simply yourself. All you need is a microwave crisp maker. The set comes with a bowl and easy-to-use slicer that will allow you to create enough potato slices to fill the holder in seconds. Soak your slices for a few minutes in cold water, drain them and place them in the holder. Pop them in the microwave and after just a few minutes, the holder can be removed. Now it contains perfectly cooked vegetables. Vegetables? Yes, not just potatoes. The crisp maker works with other root vegetables like carrots, turnip and swede, as well as apple and pumpkin. Much healthier than oil-based crisps and just as tasty.